Name of this book is French for Kids 2. This book is very good source to teach French to kids. In this book we will explore different topics to make students learn French. This book is best book for first-time French learners. Writing French books for kids is a real pleasure. There is a special magic about learning words in another language and using them. This book is written in very easy manner with lots of pictures to make this book more interesting. Contents are written in very interactive manner. To understand the topic, relevant diagrams are prescribed. Easy exercises are given in the end of chapter for student to practice. This book will take kids on a very exciting French learning journey. This book is prepared for preschool, kindergarten and second grade. This book introduces kids to a wide range of ideas, activities, values and emotions. If you are an English speaker who wishes to learn French, then this is perfect for you because all the lessons are written in both French and English to help you learn the foreign language of your choice. This is really a great way to boost your reading comprehension. This French book for children is first and foremost a really interesting book, but it's also a way of helping little learners engage with French language learning, empathize with strangers, and ultimately build a love of languages. This is an awesome method based on totally fun ease. This is the index of this French Kids 2. In this index, as you can see, this is the list of all lessons in this book which we will explore in this video. These are the lessons of this book to take an important step to make students learn about French with the help of different things like the timing, greetings and marks on letters when we write those words and so on. We will explore all these amazing things with the help of this video. Now we will tell you about all chapters of this book one by one. Name of this chapter is Let's Go to France. This is the lesson 1 of our French for Kids 2 book. In this chapter we will learn about the monument of France and name of some cities in France, like why it's very famous, like what's its famous cuisine, culture and dishes name and so on with the help of English sentences and also with the help of different pictures. And it contains exercise for students to make their knowledge strong. This is very important to know about the culture, traditions, things of that particular language which we want to learn to make it more understandable for students. Sounds interesting. So let's learn French together and explore the world of French. Name of this chapter is Identify the marks on letters. This is the lesson 2 of our French for Kids 2 book. In this chapter, we will learn how to use accents in French language with the help of marks. These marks on letters can change the pronunciation and meaning as well. That is why this is the main basic thing to speak right French language. This lesson also has the exercise part for student to practice, so that student can get to know about these small but important core in French learning. So, let's explore this together. Name of this chapter is What is the Time? This is the lesson 3 of our French for Kids 2 book. In this chapter we will learn how to pronunciation right the timing words in French language with the help of English words. Like how to ask questions about timing and how to answer that in French. We can see the exercise part for student to do to make this more memorable. With the help of this lesson, child will learn about time period like in regular manner counting as well. Sounds cool, right? Then what are you waiting for? Let's learn French together and explore the world of French. Name of this chapter is Greetings. This is the lesson 4 of our French for Kids 2 book. In this chapter we will learn how to pronunciation right the greetings words in French language with the help of English words. And it has also exercise part for student to do to make this more excite. Child will learn about all these greeting words to greet elders, youngers according to time manner with the help of pictures as well. As we all know, in every language there is different types to greet people. Each language greeting shows its own culture as well. So, greeting is the very best way to learn about French, its culture together. So, explore the world of French with fun ease. Name of this chapter is My Name is Sony. And you, what's your name? This is the lesson 5 of our French for Kids-2 book. In this chapter, we will learn how to pronunciation write the name of ourselves. After learning greetings, words and numbers, now students are able to present themselves by the use of their name, their age, their places of living and some describing words. And it has exercise part for student to do to make this more exciting. Child will learn about to pronunciation his name, age and all those words which we use in daily life and many things with the help of pictures as well. So, let's learn French together and explore the world of French with fun ease. Name of this chapter is I Like My Family. This is the lesson 6 of our French for Kids-2 book. In this chapter, we will learn how to pronunciation write the name of family members like father, mother, grandparent, etc. words in French language with the help of English words. And it has also exercise part for student to do. Like we all know that these relations are the main core of a family and only a family can make a child better to give him all the sacrament how to respect elder and youngers and kids learn all these things from the family first after that he see the world. Child will learn about all these relations with the help of pictures as well. So, let's find out the world of these relations with the fun and ease. Name of this chapter is Put Silence in the Classroom. This is the lesson 7 of our French for Kids-2 book. In this chapter, we will learn how to pronunciation write the French words to give instruction by a teacher with the help of English words. And it has exercise part for student to do to make it more interesting. Child will learn about how teacher use the French words to speak in classroom in daily life to instruct student like sit down, stand up, shut your mouth, do your work and many things with the help of pictures as well. So, let's learn these words in French together and explore the world of French with fun ease. Name of this chapter is I Am Growing Every Day, Every Month, Every Year. This is the lesson 8 of our French for Kids-2 book. In this chapter, we will learn how to pronunciation write the name of day's name, month's name in French language with the help of English words. And it has exercise part for student to do to make this more exciting. Child will learn about all these days name month's name, which we use in daily life, like Sunday, Monday day's name and January, February all months name. We will explore to make kids learn and understand the pronunciation of these. So, let's learn French together and explore the world of these days and months name in French with fun ease. Name of this chapter is How Many Questions? This is the lesson 9 of our French for Kids-2 book. In this chapter, we will learn how to pronunciation write the questions when we want to ask something from someone in French language with the help of English words. This lesson has very interesting exercise part for student to do. Child will learn about all these questions words like what, why, how, when and so on which we use in daily life. So, we will explore this lesson to make kids learn and understand the pronunciation of these questions words. So, let's learn French together and discover the world of these words in French with fun ease. Name of this chapter is I Have Proud on My Country. This is the lesson 10 of our French for Kids-2 book. In this chapter, we will learn how to pronunciation write the name of countries in French language with the help of English words. This lesson has the exercise part for student to do to make this more memorable. Child will learn about all these countries' name that will be a very much interesting topic. So, we will explore these countries' name to make kids learn and understand the pronunciation. So, let's learn French together and explore the world of French with fun ease. These are the online resources from where you can get different type of book like e-book, audio book, video, exam papers, e-learning and many more things. In today world, online resources are also important as much as offline resources. This is a new step to give children an opportunity to grow themselves. You can see these different type of books with the help of these links and we can train kids in different forms with the help of these unique and awesome platforms. So let's explore these with fun and let's learn French in a very interesting and many ways as well. We are bringing above series for students. So for more this kind of learning interesting video, do like subscribe our channel. And we will get back soon again with a new and interesting video like this. Till then, stay tuned with us. Please subscribe, like our channel. Please share this video with French learners.